In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload photo in WhatsApp status without losing quality. So if you want to update a WhatsApp status without losing its quality, there are 4 steps that you need to take. Mark you, when updating your WhatsApp status, there is no particular feature that you can set to here to upload the WhatsApp status without losing its quality. But that doesn't mean you cannot upload your WhatsApp status in HD format. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload photo in WhatsApp status without losing its quality. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to upload your WhatsApp status photos or video without losing quality is first open a WhatsApp chat. So this is the first thing you want to do. You want to go ahead and open the WhatsApp chat just like this, or so let's say this, then select the photo you want to upload to your WhatsApp status, either photos or videos. So go ahead and select that. Now let's say I want to upload this particular photos on my WhatsApp status without losing its quality. Once you've selected the chat, then select the photo you want to upload to your WhatsApp status without losing its quality, just like this. Do not send it yet. Then come up here and then locate HD. Click on it. If the media quality is set to standard, go ahead and set it to high quality. Then you can see photos set to high quality, and once you click on high quality, you should see a feature here that says this may be slower and larger, but this is definitely going to give you a high quality picture. You can see. Then click on the send button. Now you send this picture to this particular contact as it is, just like this. Now click on this arrow button at the top right, and then click on my status. Then click on send. Then you can see sending status update. Now let's go back to the status update on our WhatsApp. Then open it. Then there you go. You can see this picture is now in HD quality. So, and this is how the picture was taken without losing its quality. So this is how you can easily upload photos to your WhatsApp status without losing its quality. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.